Hello guys, what's going on internet? I'm Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Hope you are enjoying our Photoshop quick tutorials. Today we are going to learn how we can create amazing backgrounds by using Adobe Photoshop brush tool. So as you will know how we can use the brush in Adobe Photoshop, we have two types of general brushes. One brush is called hard brush and the other brush is called the soft brush. And today we will learn more about these two things, hard brush and soft brush. I have already installed some customized brushes in my library, so we will first take start by using those brushes, and we will create amazing effects using those customized brushes. So let's see how we can create and what we can create by using those customized brushes. So have a look on that. First we have this stone background, then we have a watercolor background with some text here, and then we have this gradient background with some text. So let's start by this blank sketch from here. So let's take start by picking this brush tool from here and go up and go down. Like I have already installed some brushes for you, so then let's take start by creating like this effect. We are just going to create this effect first, so let's take start by applying this. I will try my best to do same colors, but it can be vary. So let's take start by resizing the brush. This is now resized, and now we are using the same bluish color, trying best to make it more look like that, a little bit smaller, and then we are going to apply that brush. As you can see that we have applied the watercolor effect, and this is so much amazing. It means that we can save our time to creating much more better and attractive design. You can try a lot of, because when one brush is installed, there are a lot of variation with these brushes. You can apply this brush and you can just resize it according to your need, and like this way. Here we go. So then you can add whatever you want, and then you can also change the colors if you want. Let me change the color and show you how it looks like this way. Let's change the color again for you like this way, whatever you want. So then you can pick the variations of this color and you can applying on that. And then after you have selected, suppose if I am using this one, I am adding one more layer and I'm adding some text on it, so it looks very beautiful. My text looks too much bigger. Let's adjust the size of the text first. It's too much bigger. Let's make it 2. Yeah, now it's better, far more better. Let's make it about spacing adjustment about 2, and then we need to change the color of text like this way, okay. So this one looks better, and you can resize it whatever you want. So here we can create a complete layout for the background, and then you can use wherever you want, like this way and this way, and you can fade the opacity a little bit to looks more good. This is very short techniques to use and to create some backgrounds for your designs like this way, okay. And I will also tell you in the end how you can download these stuff, and this will be amazing video for today, because I will tell you the link where you can easily download these brushes, okay. So let's take start with next brush. We can choose our next brush, that is about this one brush. We can use this one brush, and we can just resize it first, like resize it like this way. We have created this design, and then we are going to create this one. So this is about a little bit look like a clothy or the cloth background of the cloth stuff, like this way. Like I show you that this effect resemble with this effect, so you can just simply create some background on it, and you can just save it according to your wherever you want, okay. And then we have our like one more background that is about stone backgrounds. Let me make the background stone. So let's find out where was that. I have downloaded it for you to show you. Let's find out that. I think this was, oh yeah, this was. So let's make it like this way. Yeah, they were black, so let's make the color black, and we are done to go. Like this way, like this way. Wherever you want, you can put those text here, and this text here, and this text here. Wherever you want, you can select a style of stones like this. You can also resize it like this way, or you can also make it like this way. So these are a lot of variations that you can use, and you can make your backgrounds really good look and make your clients more happy. So let's learn how you can download these brushes. So let's come on the Google and just type here brush easy. Okay, you can open this website, and here you can find a free license free brushes. So then they can so then you can use these brushes. So we have find a lot of brushes here. So now I will tell you how you can download and you can install it in Adobe Photoshop. This is pretty easy method, so you don't need to do anything. So let's take start by doing finding brushes called wave. Let's start brushes like move to be wave. Okay, we have this one, we have this one. Let's take start by using this water waves. Okay, we have a saying that free download. We are just downloading. You can just close it and ask him free download, saying your download will automatically start. It's saying, and it's here we go. It's saying, and then we have a downloaded all the things. It just is downloading. Let's wait for end. Okay, here we have brushes downloaded here. Let's open this, double click with this WinRAR file and open this file called you just need to double click on this file. It's just loading and that's done. No need to do anything. It's just now installed. Let's go with this brush and go with this section of brushes. Go down, and this is our free water waves Photoshop brushes. Let's open this and select one brush from this. Yeah, we have this one brush here ready. Let's make it blue color as water is blue, so then it looks good. So then you can see that we have a waterish background here. So somewhere if you want to do some water background, so then you can use this water background like this way. You can use this water background wherever you want, like this way. This is just a wavy. I told you that this is just a wavy, so it's coming like that. So then there are lots of backgrounds too, so then that you can select and do your designs in an amazing way, whatever you want. So you can do that. There is also one more. Let me show you one more design. It's called floral. This looks also too good. Some designs that we do for the beauticians or the beauty parlors, so this looks also much amazing. This one too. Let's download this one and use this one. It's just speeding up the things, and it's just downloading very speedily. And here we go. It's floral scroll, and just click this file that is about ABR. Let's click that. It's installed, and then we can just make our canvas clear for our next brush that we are going to practice it. We have floral here, and then this one. We have only two brush here. Let's try what they say. Like we have this one floral wherever you want, so then you can use this brush for your purpose or for your beautician wherever you want. So then you have a handmade. You don't need to create this curvy design if you want that design. And then we have this one too. So we have a lot of choices to do and to draw some design. Or if we can draw this on the new layer, and we can make the opacity little bit down, so it also give us chance to write whatever you want on that. I can adjust some text again for you to make it look more elegant look. So you will see that it looks very good. And let's make the text more smaller, and then we can do like this way, a little bit more smaller, so then you can see that how the text layout looks when the background is look too much good. Let's see. And then this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, and then you can just double click and make it like this. Okay, so then you have see that we have complete background like this way, like this way. Done. Now you can see that we can just adjust the text little bit, so now see how it looks. It looks really good. Okay, so this was my tutorial that I did for you for brushing and creating amazing background for brushes. So we are done with today's tutorial, and hope you will enjoy this tutorial and learn a lot of very valuable things. Stay tuned with my channel for more upcoming techniques and video tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.